Hi, now relating to the climate in Reykjavik, we've gathered data for the average temperatures in Reykjavik for each month. And so we will show that in this data table. So as you can see, we have the days on the right and then the average temperatures on the left, which go up near the middle of the year and then they go back down near the end of the year. And this is for a full entire year. And now Lizzie's going to take over to show you the graph.
Yes, so as I'm sure we all know, data can also be expressed in graph form. So this is our graph of that data, where you can see the scatter plot of the data that we gathered, as well as a cosine curve that fits the data fairly well. So our equation was y equals negative 10.5 degrees Fahrenheit cosine of 2 pi over 365 times x minus 15 plus 41.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
So first we're going to be talking about the period of the equation, which is the amount of time that we've been graphing this average monthly temperature. And so our graph goes for 365 days on the x-axis, which means that we have been gathering evidence for 365 days. The second part that we're going to talk about for the equation is the horizontal shift, which in this case was 15 days to the right, meaning that we started on the 15th day so that the graph is moved 15 days to the right.
The temperature does not change much throughout the year. It ranges from only 52 degrees to 31 degrees, giving the graph an axis of the wave. 41.5 degrees is the average temperature of Reykjavik for the entire year. This range also gives our graph an amplitude of 10.5, which means that the temperature in Reykjavik varies 41.5 degree axis of the wave, 10.5 degrees to reach its yearly high and low temperatures.
And then we have turning points, which are going to be the high and low points on our graph. So we see our first turning point at 15 days and 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's going to be the lowest temperature that you're going to reach here. Then at day 197, we have 52 degrees, which is going to be the highest point that we're going to see, and temperatures are going to go from being increasing to going back down at this point, and they're going to go all the way back down to day 380 again at 31 degrees.